Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make split peas rice. This is going to be super delicious, and to get started, here I have some long grain basmati rice, some split peas I've been soaking for about 6 hours. I'll be using chicken broth. I have onions, red bell peppers, some garlic. I have thyme and 1 bay leaf. I have green bell peppers, green onions, some seasoned salt, black pepper, complete seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. So here in a small saucepan, I've added my peas and some water, and we will boil this until it is a little soft but not mushy. You know, like when you're making dal puri, that's the texture we're looking for. So after about 15 minutes, I think the peas is to the texture that I want. We don't want this mushy for this particular recipe. We don't want it mashed in the rice. This is split peas rice we're making, not cook-up rice. So we want the peas to still remain intact. In a preheated pot, I did add some oil, and now I'll go in with my onions, garlic, peppers, my thyme, and bay leaf. We'll let them all go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add our split peas, we will add our rice, and we will give them a good mix. Then we will add our seasonings to add flavor and taste to the dish. We will also add our green onions, and we'll let this go for about 5 minutes, just allowing everything to come together perfectly and for the seasonings to marry. So at this point, we'll now add our chicken broth, and we'll add some of that peas broth. When you strain your peas, please reserve some of that broth for your rice. Then we will cover this and allow it to steam on medium to low heat. You want the rice to steam, so do not cook this on high heat. And we'll let it cook until all the liquid has evaporated and our rice is perfectly cooked. So once all the liquid has evaporated, your rice should be perfectly cooked, because there's a certain ratio of rice to liquid you should add here to get the perfect fluffy rice. And once the rice is cooked, we will now add some butter. We will mix that in, and the last thing we'll add is some fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to make this rice. And it is so delicious. It can go with anything. It's the perfect side dish. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Now let's plate this up, and I'll be back with the finished product. So this is how I make a super delicious split peas rice. I've been asked by subscribers many times about the rice because I've been adding it to a lot of my dishes recently. And today I did pair this up with some meatballs and gravy, and it was super delicious. I do hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!